Okay, we're going on live. Tell me if you can see me live. You guys see me live? I don't know. I hope you guys can see me live. Oh, it's time. Okay, Bitcoin is breaking out. We're gonna learn about cycles today so that I can tell you why there is a palpable excitement now and where this is related to the Bitcoin halving cycle and all that. What I know is you guys got to get ready. We all got to get ready for the biggest, baddest. I don't know if it's going to be the baddest, but I know it's going to be the biggest, baddest bull run. Okay, we're going to make it baddest anyway. Okay, the biggest, baddest bull run ever, where you guys can make a lot of money if you play it right. Okay, that's important. You got to play this game right. Okay, so hey, how is everyone? Comment. How's everyone? And yeah, this is as easy as 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Okay. It's easy. Well, it's not that hard, but you got to understand it first. And that's the intention of tonight. In fact, hopefully you can understand this. This, of course, is going to support the class that I'm having on crypto wallets, an introduction on crypto wallets and my journey from 0 to 1 million. It has just started. It is impossible. If you want to laugh at my crazy target of 0 to 1 million, I don't mind. I'm laughing too. Hey, join me, man. I think it's happily crazy, right? It is completely crazy too. But it is the crazy things that we want to do. And Dennis is here again. Dennis is going to be in Malaysia. He's not going to be in Malaysia next week. He's going to be in Malaysia the following week. But yeah, we got to do all the crazy things, that Steve Jobs said, right? It's by doing the crazy things that we do get somewhere. And yeah, and we are here at the brink of a large Bitcoin breakout. So let us, for the experienced ones, who have been following my class, this is just a reminder on the cycles. We're going to go into detail next week on Saturday. And man, we're going to go into real detail on November 3rd and 4th, okay? Because it has just started and things have changed forever, really. So how's everyone? I hope Thailand is fine, Chef. Yeah, it's a lot of people. I'm sure there's a lot of people in Phuket. Not so many people here in Kuala Lumpur. But hey, let's go start now. So hi, I am Sensei Shukri. I made $1 million US twice. This is my third foray into 1 million. Okay, so I know $1 million US is a lot, but don't be scared, don't be intimidated, okay? Because what I do, I'm just like a regular guy, although I am irregular. I do not. And the way I trade, guys, I don't use charts a lot, so don't be intimidated by all those things, okay? I want to make it easy. However, if you do know the charts, that is all good for you. Okay, that is all good for you because to me, charts and all that, the indicators that you guys are all good if I'm Russian. See, even Chef makes a lot of money and he does not even understand it. Okay, so it's okay. It's okay. We don't understand all these things, but we want to make it easy. But if you do understand it, that will give life more meaning. And I'm just going to show you an example afterwards. Okay. But if you don't know it, it is okay because to me, the charts and all that, the indicators are just entry points. What you need to know first, the most important thing is actually the cycles. Where is it going to go to? Based on the market cycles, which are, of course, supported by facts, by fundamentals, by technical facts. And this is what I think is very special about Bitcoin, okay? And the crypto market in general. Of course, Bitcoin leads the crypto market. So let's go and see that, okay? Let's go and see this Bitcoin thingy, okay? Let's go and see, where are you, Mr. Bitcoin? And I'm just going to go here. So I'm going to give you all these websites. You can take it down for the newbies if you have just started to follow. You can just take it down. Okay, let me change this now. But again, let's make it very, very simple. It doesn't matter if you're a newbie. It doesn't matter if you are experienced. And some people, you saw it there, right? From Chef, who's in beautiful, beautiful Thailand now, makes a lot of money while he thinks charts are Russian. Well, some people are very familiar with charts. That's good. That's good. I'm also very familiar with charts. It just stresses me out. Okay. So again, here it is, guys. So Bitcoin has now hit, yeah, it was like 30, right? What was it at? I don't know. Let's see. Where did it go to? Let's see a chart here. Don't worry. Oh, it went up to, okay, this is Bitcoin, right? I'm just going to show the Bitcoin chart here. Yeah, what did it hit before this? What is the high there? 3364, 3364, okay? 30,364. So you can go to CoinGecko here. It will show you the market capitalization of all the cryptocurrencies. I'm just going to put it down there, okay? If you want to see which one is the biggest, 3330, cool. So, you know, Bitcoin is obviously the biggest one. Then we have Ethereum, and then we have BNB, Ripple, USDC, Lido Stake Ether. Now, I just came to me that some people said to me, hey, Sensei, we don't understand this. All these coins that are here, we're noobs. Okay. Well, I'm arranging something with that. Okay, don't worry, so that you guys know the cycle of what happens during the rallies and all that, right? So this is it. And let's go back to my notes here. What has happened recently? Well, are we on the brink of World War III? Okay, I've shown you last week. I don't know. I hope not. War is never good, but war is good for the economy, right? War is kind of good for the stock market. I proved to you last week already, last weekend. I don't like it. I hope it doesn't come to that, but if it comes to that, I do want to take advantage of that, okay? Although it's not nice saying so, but hey, I can't do anything, right? So in recent months, you know, Bitcoin was very slow, but recently after the war, it seems that Bitcoin has gone up. Okay, it's gone up. It has outperformed our favorite war indicator, which is gold, right? Because when gold is here, gold, that's gold. Of course, because of a risk premium, right? When there is something wrong with the world, you flock to gold. It is a recognized currency or medium of exchange since the beginning of time. Since the beginning of time, okay? The Roman days, of course, the Roman used silver coins and started to debase the silver coin, right? Which is what the US dollar is doing. You can read the history about that, man. I hate silver, but it's gold, right? And commodities have also started to go on up. No surprises there, because a war disrupts the supply chain, which could disrupt commodities. And again, I did explain last week that I think Malaysia, being a commodity provider, we do export chips. And if there's anything that happens onto the chips, okay, onto the supply of chips, Malaysia is going to have an advantage. And I also read today that even Ukraine is having problem procuring parts for drones. So that's war, right? So this is good. It seems now that Bitcoin is living to its part of being digital gold, okay? Don't worry, this YouTube live is recorded. You guys can go and see it. I want you guys to go and see it, because I hope, because I think we have several things to go to before our class on Saturday. But if you have not registered, you might want to register. It is from 9:30 in the morning. I do open the doors at 9. And yeah, let me see it. It's something where I cover wallets, and also how my journey from 0 to 1 million. You guys need a wallet, right? It's from 9:30 to 1:30 p.m. Okay, so let's go back here. Ooh, we want to talk about that. We want to talk about this guy here. No, not that, not that, not that. Oh, there. Oh, that's a cycle. Okay, so again, as I said, it is now becoming digital gold. That's good. Okay, right? That's good. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. So here, I'm just going to put the link here. Register on Zoom for my Saturday class. For my Saturday class on wallets, airdrops, and all that. For going to 0 to 1 million. I don't know if I'm going to do it. Okay, it sounds impossible, but hey, there's already money there in my journey from 0 to 1. I'm not trading here. Okay, guys, I do not trade. This is pure airdrops. Okay, drops from the sky. Okay, anyway, enough of this. So it is a store of value now. And the significance of this not only is the move in Bitcoin significant, because I said now, right, Bitcoin has become digital gold. Hence, the move in gold is also extremely significant, okay? It's not only about Bitcoin, it's also about gold. And if you see Bitcoin here, look at that. This is the downward trending line. It suddenly popped up here. Okay, now let's see this. Let's see this, okay? I want to show you something here, and this is very interesting here. I want to show you something here. You can write in the comments, you can write and ask questions, okay? Don't worry. I want you to ask questions, especially if you're new. Hey, there's no wrong question, okay? Just ask. Hey, guys, if you think you're asking a stupid question, I'm about to say I'm going to 0 to 1 million. That's even more stupider, okay? That's like the dumb and dumbest thing that I've ever done. Going from 0 to 1 million, like, what the hell? Okay, but never mind. Okay, good. Look, okay, I want you to look at this. Look at this very, very carefully, okay? And participate, okay? Look, this is the downward trending line. We've popped above it. That's bullish. I want you to look at something. So we had a double top here, right? We had a double top. We had a double. I was busy. Hey. During the last class, I was with Actions to Wealth. I told everyone to sell at end of January, right? I don't know how many of you guys followed. I hope you guys followed. But anyway, we kind of had a double top here. Yeah, this is a wick went up here. And then suddenly, look, we went down from here, December 2021 until today. Got to be kidding me. How many months is that, guys? How many months is that? December 2021. How long is that? This long downward trend line that broke today. This is a weekly chart, by the way, okay? How long is that? This is important. How long is this? Like, what is happening here? It's like almost 2 years, right? Like, what is this? Is it like 1 year, 10 months? Is it? Tell me. I don't know. Well, looks like 1 year, 10 months to me. Wow. 1 year, 10 months. Okay, so we have been in a bear market for 1 year and 10 months. I want you to keep that in your mind here. 1 year and 10 months is kind of like almost 2 years, okay? It's a long time, okay? So there, that pop there, that pop up there. Now, I'm going to show you gold because gold is also very interesting, by the way. And then we'll go into the cycles and what I'm talking about. The 1 year, 10 months makes sense. Maybe you did not know it. Maybe you were caught in that cycle of down. This cycle was already predicted. Like I said, during my last engagement with a company in Singapore, I told my students to get the hell out January 22nd. Get out. January 22nd, January 22nd, 2022. And boom, it just went down and down and down until now, until last week. So this is good. Okay, next. This is even more interesting because it's gold. Just look at that. This was during 2000. Okay, this was the 70s. This was during 2011, right? After the great financial crisis, 2008 great financial crisis, gold went up. Gold kind of made a double top here. Okay, it wasn't a double top, but look there. And then boom, gold went down. And now gold is up there again. 1, 2, and it looks like it's challenging this. Now, some of you are very good technical people, right? What do you call this? You guys know what you call this? Well, it's not supposed to be like, it's kind of like this. You're only supposed to have that when it's going down, right? Okay, sorry guys, I'm rusty on my technical analysis, right? But I see something like this. What do I see here? Oh boy, I see a cup and handle, but this is in reverse. This is really silly, okay? Cup and handle in reverse, okay? So this is nice. I kind of like this because if we do have this kind of thing, oh boy, just a measured move from here to here. I don't know where it ends up. Does it end up 2005? Maybe. So it's bullish, which now, since Bitcoin is also assuming trades as digital gold, is also bullish for Bitcoin. So I've just shown you why Bitcoin is bullish based on the gold narrative, right? Based on the gold narrative. Now, before we go now, let's go into something that's more short term. Now, when I analyze the markets, I want to look at the fear and greed index, okay? Because when people are fearing, you're supposed to buy when there's blood on the streets. I don't think it says blood. It says extreme fear, and it's supposed to sell when everyone's happy about things. So let's go and see what this is all about. Okay, let's go here. Fear and greed index, crypto fear and greed index. We are neutral. Okay, we are neutral. We came from fear, right? You can go here, alternative.me, crypto fear and greed index. Now I am going here and I'm just going to max this out. Okay, let me max this out. Okay, it seems that we're peaking at 70. 70 is a big resistance, right? So we kind of hit this 30. Hey, I said last week, right? We're going to hit 30 and then we're going to rebound back. Yeah, kind of that was support and resistance at 70. This is last 21. Oh my God, 21, it went to 80. So let's see if it goes here. But people are kind of neutral. Now, the other thing that I look at, because it's TradFi. TradFi is traditional market, the stocks and all that, S&P 500, Dow Jones and all that. Let's take a look at that. Where are we now? So neutral is neutral, but I'm not saying it's bullish, but the market is bullish. That means they're not fearing like last time. But you see here, when the markets dip to fear, it goes up. The market dips to fear, it goes up. Just returns. But this was like extreme fear. And this was a long time of extreme fear. This was, of course, 2022, right? Look at that, 2022. Ooh, extreme fear, man. Everything was going wrong, FTX, inflation and all that. But let's see the fear and greed index for the market now. Oh, we are in extreme fear. I love this. This is like the S&P 500. Let's go look at some TradFi charts here. I do trade TradFi, right? I don't teach it. I do it on my personal account. Let's go here. Oh, S&P 500. Just look at the S&P 500 here, guys. Let's take daily. Oh boy, it has gone down like a rock, okay? Like, look at that. It has like, boom. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Based on the cycles, okay? I'm just going to say, based on the cycles, it looks like it may want to rebound. Okay, we're there, right? Okay, almost, not quite, almost there. And I show you why this is almost near a rebound, okay? Without having to use this chart. Okay, I'm just using this chart so that I look a little more intelligent. Okay, using all the charts. Actually, no, you don't need it, because as Chef said, it's like Russian to him. Okay, cool. So Russian, then maybe he doesn't want to use it. So again, this might be hitting a bottom here. Let's see your favorite. The second biggest cryptocurrency is Ethereum. Again, let me take out this 1 hour thing. I'm going to go on the weekly chart now. Yeah, 27th. Yeah, I will. I'll tell you, it's on Tuesday. The cycle to buy the S&P 500. See, he's asking the cycle. Dennis is a student. It's on Wednesday. But the markets may turn on Tuesday. Okay, that's what he said. I'll put it in the group afterwards. Okay, I'll post it in the group. So again, I said to you guys last week, right, I was kind of worried. If we broke here, oh boy, we are going to be in big trouble. We are going to be in such big trouble because it's going to 1.4, right? Which is not, which is like the last high of 2018. That is not good at all. But again, we have managed to save the day here. So that is, again, another factor that is very significant here. Now, having said all this now, why don't we go now to cycle? What do I mean on the cycle? Okay, now, I'm going to show you something by Arthur Hayes. Arthur Hayes, yeah, 27, yeah. Yeah, I need to get ready, guys. I'm going to, one moment. I'm talking to my students here, right? So the turning cycle, just love when we're going to cycle. The turning cycle for the S&P is going to be, and I'm going to show you more evidence before of this. This is what I said. And when I show you that, you can see, right, Winnie and Dennis can buy without looking at the charts, or if they just want to look at the charts because Chef has learned Russian, go look at the charts. Go look at the charts, okay? There is compelling evidence of a turnaround. I'll show you guys after. So again, let's go here. Now, Arthur Hayes is one of the most smartest guy. He was the CEO of BitMEX, and then, he ran away and basically very smart guy economically. Let us see what he says about what's going to happen to the markets. And then we'll go through the cycle to see if this indeed may happen, okay? And our analysis comes from like 100-year data from Larry Williams, probably the best market timer around, guys. Listen, when I listen to analysts, I only listen to two people, okay? Larry Williams and Tom Lee of FundStrats. That's all. I just don't listen to anybody else. But let's see what this guy has. So a Great Depression worse than 2008. Survive and thrive during the new economic reset. So you say, oh no! Oh, we're going to go down! Why are you asking us to go into crypto? I know you guys. I know you guys are saying that. Patience, guys. We got something else. Wait, patience. Okay, let's see what he has to say.
Enormous benefits. We're still, people who are American are still living off of those benefits today. But at the end of the day, everybody's sort of believing this thing called, Keynesian economics, which basically is if something gets in trouble, the government should rush in, spend money. If they don't have the money, the central bank should print it.
Yes, and I think that's what happened during COVID. The central bank actually printed it. Do you guys know the significant event next year? You guys can write it down while I play Arthur Hayes here. What's the significant event next year, right? Let me write it down here. What is the significant event that could lead to something like money printing? Now, you got to know all this, okay? Because knowing all the facts would allow you to take the necessary action to make money. Then you're going to ask, yeah, but there's going to be a Great Depression. Okay, wait a minute. Just let me hear it. What is the significant event in 2024? There is something very significant that could prompt the Fed. You don't want Malaysia printing the ringgit, right? We're going to go to 6. We'll probably hit 5 soon. Significant event in 2024. And let me play Mr. Hayes.
Everybody collectively in the world, no matter if you're, what sort of ism you believe in, subscribe to this theory. And what that means is, we all have collectively agreed that the government is there essentially to attempt to remove the business cycle. Like there should never be bad things that happen to the economy. And if there are, we want the government to come in and essentially destroy the free market. So every time we've had a financial crisis over the last, 80 years, what happens? Government rushes in and they essentially destroy some part of the free market because they want to, save the system. And what does that mean? It's like whack-a-mole. So every time there's a disturbance, the central banks, like the Federal Reserve in the US, they come in, they print money, they enact a bunch of regulations, and they basically say, okay, we don't want this sector to fail. We don't want, the creative destruction that is so-called, capitalism, if you actually believe in that.
Correct.
We don't want that. And every, 5-7 years, there's another sector of the economy that's essentially price fixed. You have less and less humans who are doing productive stuff, commercially out of the ground.
Let's see this.
That's not actually generating real growth. If we could just print our money and generate real growth, then
it doesn't mean money printing.
Whoever control
so let's see this.
Real estate, crypto, art, you name it, that we've ever seen since World War II. And the reason I believe that is if we back up to like 1945, essentially,
what happened?
And what that means is, we all have collectively agreed that the government is there essentially to attempt to remove the business cycle. Like there should never be his global home island theory. I mean, first of all, counting the of the financial economy, except for one, which is the government bond markets, because they're so large.
So he says that
can stay in business, and now we've gotten to the situation where there's so much debt that, and it's accelerating in an exponential fashion, that in order to save the market this time, right? So in the next 3 to 6 months, there's going to be some sort of major market disturbance, probably in the U.S. Treasury or other large global bond markets. And the solution is going to be, let's print the most money that we've ever printed to try to save essentially this fiat financial system that we've created since World War II, which is going to, in the first instance, create a massive bull market in anything, like stocks, crypto, real estate, things that have a fixed supply maybe they're productive. They have
So again, this printing, you remember there's an election next year, right? Is going to create a massive bull market, guys. What pushed the market of crypto? Because it was COVID, right? The printing of money, the printing of money, right? So that the assassination of Gensler. Man, Chef, you do not like Gary Gensler. So let's see, okay? So that's the thing. Before we have the crash, we are going to have a massive bull run. You guys like that? You guys like making money? Because I do.
And then after that, we're going to find out actually the government can't save everything. They can't just print as much money as they think to try to save themselves and fix the price of the yield of everything.
Okay, I don't want to tell you that. You guys can see the video yourselves because I want to focus on making money, okay? Just focus on making money. Maybe I'll convert it to gold after that. Whatever I do. Okay, anyway. So this is the overall structure of the cycle. Again, this is from Larry Williams. This is from 1964. He measured it since 1964, right? So again, look, guys, 2023, I think I told everyone that we're going to have a kick-up cycle, right? That came through. That came true. I have some more detailed ones, which we will investigate more on Saturday, or if you want earlier also can. But look at this. 2023, 2024, and you know what? 2024, can you see this minor dip here? And then it goes like straight to the moon, around 2025, and then it goes down 2026. There is another one that I'll show you that kind of extends it until 2026, goes down. But whatever it is, this is what we want to chase. And this date here, guys, that date here coincides with what you call the Bitcoin halving cycle. Okay? Now, if you do not know the Bitcoin halving cycle, you might be in big trouble already. Because the Bitcoin halving cycle, you know, Bitcoin is a digital currency. It is run by a network of computers. And in order to pay the miners, okay, the computer, the guys who run the computers, they give these guys Bitcoin. But every 4 years, it is halved. Because it is halved, suddenly Bitcoin becomes a very much sought after community because there's only going to be 121 million Bitcoins, right? But the supply now is going to be halved, and that's kind of a lot. And after the halve, so we have this thing where we see the TradFi going up. Remember that we had Bitcoin just now, which we saw it broke down. No, we're not out of the bull. We're not in the bull market yet, okay? We just broke out of that bear market downtrend. But the 1 year and 10 months, I want you to remember that because I am going to show you this. Look at this. Look at that. This is what happens after the Bitcoin halving cycle. The Bitcoin halving happened in 2020, every 4 years, 2016, 2013. Look at this. It goes up. It goes up. It goes up. Quiz. What do you think is going to happen in 2024? Who knows? What is going to happen in 2024? I think you should know. But more important than this, it's quite obvious. Let me draw something here. More important than this is this. Look at this, guys. 2012. Look at this. It tends to go up for about 2 years, right? Isn't that like that? 2013, 2014, whatever it is. Early 2014, 2012, 2013, 2014. Yeah, here, right? Halving, first halving here. It goes up for 2 years. And then, guess what? It goes down for 2 years. Okay, so what if you guys are investing in Bitcoin during this down cycle, it's going to be difficult for you. It's not that you're not good. It's just that you somehow went against the traffic flow. You thought you're a good driver, right? You thought you're Max Verstappen. Well, you're not Max Verstappen. He's too good. You're like Lewis Hamilton, right? You're once a champion. You decided to go against the traffic flow. You're in big trouble. Again, let's look at it again. 2016. Okay, it's 2 plus 2. You got to sing the song. 2 plus 2. Hey, where's Ariel? I need him to make me a song. I need him to make me a song before he comes to KL. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 up, 2 down, 2 up, 2 down. Let's look at this. This is about 2 years, right? Look at this. Hey, 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 hey. This is about 2 years. 2 years up. And this is cool, right? Here we have 2 years up. And then we have 2 years down. Okay. Isn't that great? Yeah, 2 years up and then 2 years down. Why are you not drawing? 2 years up and then 2 years down. Look again, 2020. Oh, guess how long it takes. Also about 2 years. Okay, it's also about 2 years. La. Yeah, it's also about 2 years. We started where? In June 21. Yes, well, 1.5 years or around 2 years or so here. So again, guys, 2 up, 2 down. And we've been down for how long? 1 year and 10 months, right? So it is always there. It works like clockwork. If it obviously here, if you buy, you will have a very good chance of making money. No. You'll have a very good chance of making lots of money. If you try to buy in the areas where it's supposed to go down because it's 2 up and 2 down. 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 up, 2 down. Just remember that. 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 up, 2 down. If you were trying to play in this, you are looking, guys, you are really looking for a bloody nose. And some of you, unfortunately, already have that bloody nose, okay? Your nose is bled. You're like, you're against Muhammad Ali and he's beating you up like mad, right? Seriously, why do you do that? But anyway, let's forget about this. We are now at the cusp of a new bull run. We just came out. We're not in the bull market by no stretch of the imagination. But again, it looks like the trajectory is going up. And the trajectory is going up if we count until the next Bitcoin halving, which is April 2024. Again, what do we do, guys? Look, let's look at the past, right? In this bull run, we had a big rally in August 2020. Okay, that was a big alts rally in August 2020, and the bull run kind of ended in November. Was it November 2021? That was a period of 1 year and whatever months. Okay, it's a 1 year and 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 1 year and 3 months. Similarly, we're gonna have the Bitcoin halving in April 2024. It's only a window of 1 year plus. I think, or I predict this rally to last until October 2025. So that is really your window of opportunity. Do you guys understand this? Who has questions on this? Who has questions on this? I like to bet where I have the most chance to win, guys. I do not like to bet on things that I guess, which is what I said, because I am like this, right? I'm like Lord Vader, right? You guys remember MMI? I am Lord Vader, right? I need the dark side. I need to learn to fight without seeing anything, without seeing the charts, okay? So that's what I do. So we are here. I'm just slowly nibbling in. Yeah, I'm preparing. I'm accumulating Bitcoin and Ethereum as a means to go into the market, okay? As a means to go into the market, not as a trading mechanism, as a means to go into the market. We'll cover that on Saturday. Have you signed up for the Saturday class? Okay, so you guys need to understand this. If you are involved here, maybe now you can see why you were in big trouble. Did you enter late in the rally? Did you wait? Did you FOMO? Fear of missing out. So you waited, right? But now you have a chance to repent for your sins, okay? You have a chance to repent for your sins, okay? So do it. Have a chance to repent. Chance to repent. When are we getting out? I don't know about you. I'm getting out by October 2025. You guys can do whatever you want to do, but I'm getting out by October 2025, okay? I'm building positions now. I'm getting out by October 2025. That's it for me. I'm done. I'm done there, guys. So, again, let's go to the next one here. Ah, there it is. So, let's see. So, that was during a big cycle. Big cycle, right? Big cycle. Like we know that the markets are supposed to go up 2023, 2025, like mid 2025, which is kind of nice. We are going to have another cycle. We'll see the cycles later. Again, there's a lot of things to cover in the cycle, but let's see in the micro. This is what Winnie and Chef were asking. Chef Dennis were asking, what's going to happen to us? When is the market going to turn? Patience. I'll show you. This is how you cycle. So this is the gold cycle forecast. Okay, this is a gold cycle forecast. We are here in kind of October. Oh, it's a bullish. Ooh, this is okay. Maybe we're here and supposed to correct, and then it goes up for the most bullish months of the year, which is, yeah, November, December, right? And we had this downtrend already. Do you guys remember this downtrend? We had it, right? So you can see this is quite accurate. You know, this is what I said. Of course, we have adjustments, which we'll see in class. If you want to come to the class, I'll show you the adjustment. But anyway, this is the detailed Bitcoin cycle. I'll show you the adjusted ones on Saturday. What does it say, right? Early in the year, it went up, and then we have several corrections, and boom! You hear that? Boom, boom, boom! Look at that. Boom! October, really. And we're going to have to peak in November here. And then we go down and then we go up again and we're struggling. And then like early December and then December, we just go all the way to the moon here, right? So we're kind of in this rally. It should peak somewhere there. And then it will struggle here, probably, you know, I don't know, head and shoulders or double top or triple top. So this is what I do, okay, from the high all the way down to the ground here, all the way down, okay, from macro to micro. Now, the other thing that I want to show you is this. I think I showed this in earlier shows, so you must follow my show every Sunday at 9. What did we say, guys? Those who were following the show, remember this, right? Look at this. What did I say? Again, I did say this, that September is seasonally bearish. It's bearish. However, if September is bullish, voila, look at that, guys. Look at that. We are going to have a very bullish end of the year. And this happened to be bullish. This happened to be bullish. So our probability, again, nothing is guaranteed, but I work on high probability is going to be bullish. This is, again, from data again, okay? From data again, this is just the cycle that you already see, okay? Market for gold, yeah, it's up a little bit early, Dennis, yeah, because of the war, right? It was supposed to go up in September. It was supposed to go up in November, went up in October because of the war. So look at that. Look at this. Now, if you look at this, which makes me, man, this is so interesting. What was 2016? Look again. 2016 was the height, was the Bitcoin halving cycle, right? You guys remember this? Look at this. 2016. Look at this. This is why I said this is going to be the biggest bull run ever. Guys, if you guys went to the 2020, 2021 bull run, that was nothing. Seriously. That was nothing compared to 2017, 2018, okay? I couldn't partake in 2020, 2016 because my mentor didn't ask me to go into Bitcoin in 2016. Yeah, we blame our mentors then. But anyway, look at this. So we are here. So maybe if it's bullish, it's going to be bullish next year. Oh, super bullish year, right? We're going to have a super bullish year. We're going to have a big rally. This is what I said. We are now on the cusp of a super bull run here, not only in the traditional markets, but also in the crypto market. And don't worry about this. Don't worry about this because, hey, what? Hey, guess what? Because now, don't you see the TradFi like coming down? But the crypto markets are going up. So I still stand by October 2025, okay? I still stand by October 2025 that, yeah, our rally will end around here. I think our rally will end around here, okay? So the evidence is all here. I hope you guys are able to participate in this and you guys are already ready. But this is not enough also. we must ensure that whatever we are saying, again, I like to do this again. I like to bet on sure thing. I don't know about you guys. Can I ask you how you guys trade? I have no idea how you trade. I trade a very different way, you know. I just don't do what most of you guys don't do, which is why I kind of get those results that most of you guys don't get. Which sometimes people say I'm crazy, right? Which is I am I'm not disappointing that with my 0 to a million target, okay, which is, guys, it's stupid, but never mind. Anyway, look at this, guys. We also have to know, okay, Dennis wants to hear that because they want to go in the S&P. I know. Look, the hodler is the one who goes and holds Bitcoin. Look at this, 2015, 2016. Look, when they are up here 1 year before the cycle, guess what? Bull run! Wasn't this a big bull run? Bull run, guys! Super bull run. Because they're not selling. They're not selling. The number of hodlers like me. I need to sell and then I'm going to buy back, okay? It's almost reached my target of 31 or 32.5K, whatever it is, okay? But again, look at this. And it's happening again. And here it didn't happen and we still had a rally, you know? We still had a big rally here, but look at this. Just look at that. I mean, that is so beautiful. That is totally parabolic. What are you going to do? Are you going to sit there and do nothing? Link is on fire. I know. Because, yeah, I know you guys don't know about Link, right? I'm going to do a session on Wednesday, guys, if you guys allow me. Is that okay? Because, you know, we just know about Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it's not enough, okay? We got to know about all the coins that actually form the Bitcoin ecosystem. So if you want, you can go to my group here. You can go to my group here. Just go into my Telegram group, okay? I'll post it in all the group, okay? T.me, because I want to give you guys something that so that you guys know all this, right? Because it's not, you guys cannot follow me. It's 9:40, I know, because I've been shilling Link to my group. I said this Link always goes up, right? Link and who? Yeah, Link and several other coins. I said, hey guys, during an alts rally, the OGs go first, and one of them was Link. Now, if you do not know what you're talking about, follow me on. Follow me on Wednesday. Okay, just go into my group here. It's in Malay, but never mind. Just go there or go into the English group here. And I will drop the link here, okay? Because if you do not know about the links, you know about Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay, you are not really maximizing your gains, okay? So go into one of those two links, and don't forget on, yeah, don't forget on Saturday, guys. We're not going to go all that. Okay, so next thing is, we also said that on the 27th, which is a Wednesday, but it may happen on 24th, 22, 24th, 25th on a Wednesday. There's going to be a turnaround, okay? There's going to be a turnaround in the market on the SPY, which is the S&P 500. Now, this is another indicator here, which shows here under, what is that? Will val, yeah, the valuation. Whenever the market goes down, it goes up, 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 up. Yeah, it goes down and up, up. Okay, okay. Up, up, and here, where do you expect to go? So again, although we're going down like a rock on the S&P 500 on TradFi, yeah. I do expect something here, and then just to tell you, now you know, okay, let me show you the cycles, okay? I do expect something to go down here, and I do expect a turnaround on Wednesday. Maybe we can buy something on Tuesday. So let's put in my poor technical analysis here. Where are we going if you want to do it on Tuesday? And let's go back and look at the technical chart. So what I am showing you is how I use the cycles. And of course, there's other bigger cycles, you know. We can talk one day about this, but I don't want to do that because I got work to do. But here, let me show you this, okay? Let me show you where do you want to go in? If you want to go in, I would go like, yeah, not financial advice, but I would go on Tuesday, okay? I kind of go on Tuesday, like Tuesday afternoon. Which place would I want to go in at? I want to look at the charts here. And S&P 500, no, that's Ethereum. What am I talking about? I want to go actually, yeah, I want to go down here. Yeah, maybe here. It hasn't reached it yet. You know, I want to go down here. Maybe 211, maybe around there, 205. Okay, I would try to go near the wick at the bottom here. Okay, I would try to go there. Now, if you guys are asking me, well, Bitcoin, well, okay, again, what I see here is this. Let me give this, okay, let me show you my daily chart. Okay, so you saw on our cycle, right, there were several tops there. Now, assuming that thing is like this, where are the tops? Okay, probably around here, 32, 31.5 to 32 this cycle. I'll definitely take profits here, definitely take partial profits here, maybe add into my position if it corrects here, right? And if it goes higher, because there's 3 peaks, what I saw on the cycle, it may go here, right? It may go here. It's around 40. And of course, there is something called an inverse head and shoulder. Why don't I see it? Well, there's an inverse head and shoulder, which I saw somewhere, which could take us to around 48 if it happens. If it happens, okay? So yeah, I'm just looking at the charts and just looking at the cycles. I'm probably looking at taking my first profits around 31.8, 31.5 before it goes there. Okay, so okay, guys, any questions? Guys have any questions? Please ask. SOL usually at 15. Yeah, SBF, right? Yeah, everyone's pumping. The OGs are. Hey, guys. Hey, come on, guys. Write it down. I told you guys about Solana, right? Didn't I put that in my portfolio? Don't say I didn't tell you. I put link in my portfolio. Don't say I didn't tell you. And those coins that have not pumped are going to pump soon, okay? In the next alt rally at least. So I'm just showing you an example, but that's another thing that I cannot tell it tonight, okay? There's another body of knowledge here, okay? Again, because I do understand cycles very well. It works for Bitcoin and it works for crypto. Okay, it works when going up. Of course, in a bear market, nobody works. It doesn't work. So I don't use it in the bear market. I don't even try to play in the bear market. I just play airdrops in the bear market, right? So again, guys, so let's go here again. Why are you guys throwing darts at things? I don't like throwing darts. I like sure things. I like to go into research. I like to look at things where I have a high probability of making money and then I commit, okay? Because being accurate allows me to put more capital and then that capital goes up faster like cryptos and then I make lots of money. That's just how I do it. That's why I put a lot of things on research. And then do I use charts? Of course I use charts, but charts are the last. You see how I was doing just now? I was looking at my level where I might take, no, I didn't say that. Never say that, okay? Never say that, okay? Stupid classic mistake again. If you're going to say you're going to take profit at 31.5, you better take profits at 31.5 or at a wick to 31.8 to 32, okay? Sorry I said that. Forget I said that, okay? Never ever change your target, okay? That's not good. You got to have discipline to do all this, but I see it now at around 31.5, 32, 40, 48. That's just what I see. Okay, remember, I was using the cycles first, then only I go to the charts and not the other way around. So guys, on Saturday, I have my class here. If you want to join us, we're going to talk about crypto. We're going to talk about the cycles here. And you guys want to follow my Twitter, twitter.com, Shuk, and you guys can sign up there. Okay, so we're going to cover all this again and how I'm actually using the cycle in order to make 0 to 1 million without even trading. Okay, now do I trade? Of course I do. Of course I do. What do you mean? Of course I do trade, but I'm only going to trade heavily. Again, guys, I'm only going to trade heavily when we are in a full-fledged bull run. You guys understand that? Now, I think it's the time to learn. And through crypto airdrops, you can learn while actually earning something. So you guys can go there, okay? So it's going to be on Saturday, 20th of October. I'm going to open the doors at 9. We're going to start 9:30 to 1:30. Quite long because crypto is not easy. I got to bring you through the airdrops and all that, right? I got to bring you to the airdrops, creating a wallet, what a wallet does, how it's different from what you know. A lot of people ask me, can you use Uno? Can you use Binance? Can you use KuCoin? No, 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 no. Get that thing out of your mind. So I got to brainwash you guys. That is not decentralization. The most important thing about crypto is decentralization. You control your wallet, which is a big responsibility. Okay, so with big responsibility, yeah, with a big thing. What I forgot what Spider-Man said. I mean, it comes with a big responsibility. So you got to know how to use your wallet rather than you delegating the trust for your funds to somebody else. That is not decentralization. Okay. So a lot of people are involved in things that are not decentralized that are using crypto. Guys, that is not crypto. That is not crypto at all. I do not know what that is, but it's not crypto, okay? Crypto, you control your own wallets. And that's why when we control our own wallets, guess what? What we do through airdrops is if we control our own money here, like that. If we control our own money here, and we interact with some cryptos, that's why we're going to talk about altcoins. And then we get rewarded in cryptos. Okay, guys, do we have any more questions? I think, yeah, we usually only take this. I usually take like 30 minutes, but we have a lot of guests tonight. So sorry that we went 48 minutes. Okay, so any questions here, guys? Do you have any questions? I hope to see you Saturday. And of course, then Chef is coming to Malaysia. He is our airdrop champions, guys. He makes a lot of money on airdrop. So he's coming to Malaysia the following week. I hope you guys can meet Chef, okay? Do not meet Chef. You guys need to see him, okay? He's a big Aussie guy, but Aussie didn't go into the. Hey, who did you guys lose to, Chef? I didn't see Aussie in the rugby final. Okay, it's going to be Argentina. No, it's going to be South Africa against New Zealand, right? And whoever wins it will be the greatest rugby team of all time because they got 4 championships. Both have 3. Okay, guys, you have any more questions to ask? Well, any more questions, guys? Just share this, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Anyone want to ask about this? Anyone want to ask about the cycles here? Yeah, please ask. And remember this cycle, right? Just remember this: to up, to down, to up, to down, to up, to down. It's like Miyagi, right? You guys remember Mr. Miyagi? Mr. Miyagi when he was like with the Karate Kid, right? Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. Fine. To up, to down, to up, to down. That's all you need to remember. And if you lost money, wait a minute, or if you lost a lot of money, I'm quite sure you were probably involved in this part, the down part, right? I don't know why you got involved in the down part, right? Why did you even go here, guys? I mean, why did you even go here? I don't know. I like to involve in the up part. 2 up, 2 up. You guys, 2 down, 2 down. Yeah, cuddly bear. Yeah, you guys are like, why'd you go here? It's very hard to make money here. It's easy to make money here. I like to be in the place where it's easy to make money, like that. Like just look at the charts. Numbers do not lie, like that, like that, like that. And if you take any point in Bitcoin's existence, 4 years, guys, if you go 4 years, Bitcoin always goes up. Bitcoin always goes up, okay? But sometimes the emotion somehow, because we go in late into the market, we want to catch up and we end up losing money here, right? Because you're here. You're here. You're here. But now you guys have another chance. You guys have another chance to ride off to the moon with me. So hopefully you can join me on Saturday to see how I am putting in the various tasks in order to make it happen. And part of it is 0 to 1 million. Okay, the other millions are not good. I'm going to come from somewhere else. Okay, of course, the other millions are going to come from trading. What are you talking about? I'm just saying a portion of this is not going to be to trading. It's going to be to free tokens. And that's the way that I think is the best about crypto here. For you guys to learn now, you guys can learn in a very risk-free way, low risk way. Not risk-free, it's very, very low risk. Learn here. And by the time this wave comes, You can now gain the competence, and you can also gain the valor, okay, the courage to really, really trade. Don't do it the other way, especially as you're a newbie, guys. Slow down. Understand it first. Okay, guys, thank you very much for attending. Hope you had a good time. Hope you'll join me on Saturday. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. And don't feel too bad if you lost money. You were just in the wrong cycle. That's all. That's all. And if your friend basically asked you to invest in crypto, I mean, why was he investing in the wrong cycle? Or better yet, why was he investing in something that was not decentralized? I don't know. You need to answer that. But anyway, all your sins are forgiven. It's time to go to the moon, guys. I'm going to see you later. I know some people have privately DM me and say, can you give us a briefing on the other coins like Link and mention Link, like Chef was mentioning, and all the coins you mentioned that was going up. Okay, I'm gonna have another session on Wednesday. So for my classes, guys, hey, Chef and Winnie's in Singapore, Ariel's in Singapore, Chef is in Thailand, so I don't care. I'm in Malaysia. They cannot come and knock on my door. Hey guys, we're not going to have our usual classes this week, okay? Because we only have Wednesday, right? We always have Wednesday night class. We are going to have a session on Wednesday because I need to explain to the newbies on the other coins and Link, because they don't know what Link is. They think Link is a chain link. It is called chain link, actually, you know. So let's go through that. It'll be a good review for the rest of the guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to see you guys on Wednesday. Go and attend my going to my Telegram. Well, it's all in Malay. It doesn't matter. I write there in English. I'm going to see you Wednesday where we can talk about several other coins other than Bitcoin or Ethereum. So this is what we're going to do, okay? Okay, I'm talking too much now, guys. Okay, this is what we're going to do on Wednesday. Okay, I'm going to go here now. We're going to go here and we are actually going to do this. This is also very exciting. Of course, whatever I do is exciting. Of course, whatever I do is exciting. Okay, we are going to go like this. We're going to go to this coin market cap, and I'm then going to go through. It'll be about 8 p.m. Okay, I'm just going to put the link out, and I'm going to explain to you what this is for, what this is for Tether, or what is USDC, or what is Lido Stake, what is Solana. I told you guys to put it in the portfolio, right? Solana, what is Cardano? Okay, I hate that. Dogecoin, but still hate Cardano. Matic, Chainlink. Hello. Polkadot, which was Winnie knows from our Singapore days, my favorite coin, Polkadot. Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so at least we can go from the top 25 and a little bit more so that you understand what these are in addition to Bitcoin and Ethereum, because you're right. I know. Thanks for the DMs, okay? So sorry if I replied you late. It's not like I didn't read. I read it like, I don't want to reply before I have an answer for you, but Wednesday. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, guys. Goodbye, and I'm going to see you on Wednesday for another YouTube session. It's lucky that they're not from Malaysia. Don't worry. They're not from Malaysia. They're not from Malaysia. They can't bother me. Okay, guys. Bye. See you later. Bye.